get you some. Oh yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow. G'day lovelies, welcome back. Long time no hear, hey? I hope you're all doing well and keeping nice and warm in this freezing weather. Alright, to get back in the swing of things, I'm going to do something nice and easy. Peanut butter bickies. Because it's so cold, the first thing we want to do is get out 125 grams of butter, chop it up into a bowl and leave it sit there for ages until it goes soft at room temperature. Once it's soft, we want to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We want to get out at least one baking tray with some baking paper. Okay, so to our soft butter, we want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence, 1/3 of a cup of caster sugar, 1/3 of a cup of firmly packed brown sugar, and our 1/3 of a cup of crunchy peanut butter. Now we want to get our electric beater out and we want to beat it on low until it's smooth. Once we've done that, we now want to add 1 1/4 cups of plain flour sifted and 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, and then we want to mix it all through. Push down with the back of the spoon and keep turning and pushing. Once we've done that, we've now got our bicky dough. We want to get 1 rounded teaspoon, roll it into a ball and stick it on our tray. Once we've done that, I've spread them out to roughly 5 centimeters apart. We just want to grab a fork and gently press down, and then we want to cross them back the opposite way. Once the oven's up to temperature, bang them in there. Oh, they smell so good. 12 minutes later in my plain electric oven, when you get them that beautiful golden brown colour, they're ready. So if you haven't got a cooling rack, it doesn't matter, just slide them out onto a bench or a table somewhere. And keep on going. Well, there you have it, lovelies. 40 of the most moreish bickies ever. They're crunchy and then they instantly melt in your mouth. Oh, they're so good. You've got to give them a crack. Your family's going to love them. So at the moment, I'm still doing the backyard. I'm down to the last half of it now, and I need to level it out so I can start using a lawnmower on it. And the whole thing is just full of hills that are just full of dirt and rock, or we've got big ditches everywhere. So it's taken me forever with just me and me shovel, but I am getting there. But I have to get back to cooking, so I'm going to, for the next few weeks, do both, and then once I've finally got it done, I can get back into cooking full time. So from now onwards, I'm going to put up random videos. Once I've cooked something, I'm just going to put it up like I used to. So I'll see you all in a couple of days. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourselves a great week. Toodles!